How was the rain? Oh, I want to videotape it. Oh my god. Nice. Video camera doesn't really do it very much justice. It's friggin' pouring. Holy crap. Oh, Dexter. Woo! Falling. Are you scared? You want to go outside in the rain? You want to go outside? Let's go outside. There you go. Run away! There's a huge storm still lingering all around. There's like tornado clouds. Oh my god. Ah, crazy. Dexter! What you doing? What you doing?
Yeah,
Dexter's sleepy.
And that's all I expected, really.
Yeah. Because then when I started in October, they kept on saying, well, I dipped into my vacation. I went, well, no, I included so many days from October. No, they don't take the first year into account. I'm just like, oh, you bastard.
That's what I'm getting. That's the exact same thing I'm
getting. Yeah, I make sure I negotiate that.
And I just went, well, that
I did, Cindy.
I know, fine print.
I did.
But in my letter,
company did the same
but when
thing.
I signed
So we just had dinner. We're just waiting for it to get dark out because me and Dad are gonna go storm chasing. So apparently there's like a huge storm outside. It's freaking crazy, and all of my some of my friends have been calling their insurance company because they have damage on their trucks because of the hail. It's been so bad. The hail here was like golf ball size. It's crazy. So. Yeah, we're just sitting, visiting. My uncle's here, just chatting. See, everybody's talking. It's my Uncle Gary, my mommy, and my daddy. And Dexter Wexter. Hey, Dexter? Want cookie? Dexter want cookie? He wants a cookie.
Got rid of most of them. There was these last ones that were issued out there, but they were issued out at $34.
Oh yeah.
Is that good?
So I'd have to buy them for $34 and sell them for nothing.
Yeah. My wife doesn't even know where I'm at. She doesn't care.
He's like, don't bite me, Daddy.
My wife hasn't loved me for years, so that's really simple.
Get over here, you.
He's like, don't bite me, Daddy.
Go see Gary. Go get to Gary. Look at that face. Could you not look at a face like that?
This guy that's helping Grant now, he's a little like